Are you tired of feeling limited by your investment platform? That's a question I had to ask myself recently. For years, I was all in on M1 Finance. It was my go-to for building my portfolio, thanks to its brilliant pie system and the ability to customize my investments down to a percentage point. It truly felt like the perfect tool for a set-it-and-forget-it investor, especially with those $0 commissions. I was a huge fan, and honestly, for a long time, it was exactly what I needed. Why I left M1 Finance? So, if it was so great, why did I pack up my portfolio and move it somewhere else? The truth is, my investing strategy evolved, and M1 just couldn't keep up with where I wanted to go next. First, let's talk about trading windows. M1 offers 1, maybe 2, trading windows a day. If you're a long-term investor, that's usually not a big deal. But as I started to get more active and wanted to capitalize on market moves, waiting hours for a trade to execute became incredibly frustrating. It was like watching a race from the slow lane. Second, and this was a huge one for me, was the lack of advanced charting and analytics. I got to a point where I wanted to dig deeper into the performance of individual stocks, compare them to indices, and use more sophisticated technical indicators. M1's interface is clean and simple, but it's definitely not built for deep dive analysis. It felt like I was flying a plane but only had a basic speedometer. Finally, while the pie feature is fantastic for automation and dollar cost averaging, it actually became a limitation. The platform heavily favors buying fractional shares and maintaining those set percentages. When I wanted to hold a specific number of whole shares of a high-growth stock, or just manually manage a position without the automatic rebalancing nudge, M1 made it unnecessarily complicated. It was forcing my hand into its system, and I needed more manual control. Where I switched to. After a lot of research and testing, I landed on Fidelity. And let me tell you, the difference has been night and day. The biggest game changer is real-time trading. When I hit the buy or sell button, the trade executes instantly at the market price I see. No more waiting game. Fidelity also offers the kind of in-depth research and charting tools I was missing. I'm talking professional-grade data, multiple charting overlays, and powerful stock screeners. It feels like I upgraded from a basic calculator to a full financial workstation. And while they don't have the pie feature, the flexibility of their platform, the ability to easily hold whole shares, trade options, and manage different account types all in one place, makes it the superior choice for my current, more active investment style. They still offer fractional shares and zero commissions, so I didn't have to sacrifice any of the basics I loved. M1 Finance is a phenomenal place to start, especially if you're a beginner focused on simple, automated long-term growth. But if your needs evolve toward more control, active trading, and advanced analysis, you might find yourself hitting that same wall I did. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.